Hello everyone, this is G Wiz, and today we're going to be cooking a Thai basil goat recipe. It's basically the chicken recipe except with goat. So the first thing we really need to make sure we have is tulsi, also known as holy basil, for its anti-inflammatory properties. Alright, the ingredients are going to be the oyster sauce, the basil, the chilies, and any other spices that typically would go with it, such as garlic. We're going to boil the goat and then start that into a soup. Notice that I had some vegetable rice on the side, as typical rice you get from the store. I'm getting parsley and cilantro to go inside of the goat soup, and it's going to cook for about 20 minutes. Make sure that you add garlic to that soup as well, as it will cure it and allow it to have maximum flavor. So you can see I didn't really use much garlic. Used about 12 cloves, I'd say. Add your holy basil to your rice, along with any Thai basil or any other spices you'd like to add to it. Fresh herbs, perhaps some mint. All right, now you have your meat with the vegetables boiling, collecting its nutrient soup. And the soup is prepared. I am now adding a couple pieces of meat to it from the soup itself. And then I added the broth. And with a little bit of extra cooking, it turns out pretty good. I get a little bit of Thai chilies and I fry it up. And I made sure to use sesame seed oil, of course. This is garlic, oyster sauce, and soy sauce put together and then heated up. This goes into the final seasoning for the soup, along with the chilies you can see there. And that covers up the goat Thai soup that I made. Hope you like this. Like, subscribe if you did.